So today we are going to revise on trigonometrical ratio. Okay, do you all remember the formula for trigonometrical ratio? Yes. Now it is not in order, so it is not in order. The diagrams and what I'm writing is not in order. So first I have TOA. Tangent equals to opposite over adjacent. The opposite length over the adjacent length. So cosine theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. And the so will be the sine theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse. First, you have to identify where is the unknown angle. And I will label all these three sides. This side is called is it the opposite, adjacent, or hypo? Opposite. Okay, well done. Very good, very good. So this is the opposite side. We always label the opposite side first. The next one we usually label will be the hypotenuse. Yes, hypotenuse or hypotenuse. All right. The last one, the leftover guy, is the adjacent. So that is the first step. Which one we don't want? Adjacent has nothing, right? No numbers, nothing, so we don't want adjacent. OH, which one will give us OH? Tua, ka, or so? Yeah, OH, so we look for OH. So will give us OH. Then we will just plug in the values, sine, unknown theta, equals to the opposite, which is 4, and the hypotenuse, which is 5. The problem is, how do we find theta? I want to remove the sign. Okay, you will press shift, and then the sign button, and we will have 4 over 5. Okay, help me to press. The answer is 50 something. What do we get? 53.1. Now, why are there 3 examples here? Because in trigonometrical ratio, there's only 3 types only. We have settled the first type, which is finding angle. Now, this is the second type. First step, write down opposite, hypo, adjacent. So, which trigonometrical ratio are we using? Tua, ka, or so? Which one? Hey, come on, we are finishing already. Okay, we are using A and H because this guy, nothing, no value there. So we use A and H. So we use ka. Write down the formula first. Always write down the formula, then you will not go wrong. Now, I will substitute in the angle, which is 30 degrees. I have the adjacent as x and the hypotenuse as 10. Okay, do you all know how to find the value of x from here? I know. So you realize that this is a different type of example, right? Instead of doing the inverse cosine, I actually have to find x on the other side. So what is the opposite of divide? Multiply. So to bring over, I will do the opposite. Reverse, do the opposite. So it becomes times. So I have 10 times cosine 30. That will give us x. And the answer will be, okay, let's check. 8.66, well done. Okay, correct, 8.66. So, the last type, believe me, there's only 3 types. Again, step 1, opposite, hypo, the leftover guy, adjacent. Now, which 2 letters are we using? The O and A. So we write down tua, tangent, theta equals to opposite over adjacent. Now, why is this another type of example? You will see the algebra is slightly different. Tangent 60 equals to the opposite over x. What do you realize about the value of x now? Where is it? So we have one that do inverse. We have one whereby the x is on top, and we have the most difficult one, the x is at the denominator. You just swap the place. Why? Because we say that we are doing cross multiplication. We cross this up, and then we can cross this down. basically it's doing a swap between these two. Okay? Again, we are doing a swap. So how does it look like? The x will be here, and the tangent 60 will be at the denominator. Now it's easy to press, right? Just press 8.66 over tangent 60, and then that's the last part. What will we get? It's a very nice number. What's the number? 5.00. Okay, I'm going to give you a fair bit of time. Can you do example 1 and 2 now in your booklet?